Moving ahead, I'm taking a cobalt blue color with a little bit of black in my brush and giving this darker line as I can see in the reference. And now I'm going to take the poster white color from my bottle as I want a little opaque looking white, and I'm going to give these lines. Okay, so we can do with a little bit of watery white out here. Towards the left, the geometrical shape that you can see. So first I'm going to draw a straight line, blurring it out with water towards the bottom, and I'm going to draw that weird looking geometrical shape that I can see on the left. Moving on towards the right side, I can see a thin whitish looking line, not very dark, till the middle of the candle. So that's what I achieved. And after that, that black panel that we gave, touching that, I can see a very dark white panel. So that's what I'm doing right now, blurring it out towards the left. So here I'm trying plain white opaque, and then I'll blur it from the left side. You can see a little bit of white in the top rim from the extreme right. So that's what I am doing right now. So it's in the small details basically which we add that the picture looks reflective. And over here from down I'm painting with white because it's not as black as I can see eventually. So I took a little bit of white and painted it upwards over there, and now I'm going to give a shadow. The shadow will be darker than the grey that I've used in the stem of the candle stand, so it differentiates. I'm not giving the reflection that is seen on the table as seen in the reference, but I'm giving a shadow on my own which is a little darker.